Introducing the 2022 Ford Kuga Saintline 5D 2.0T D192 S6.2 A8 4W in sleek grey. This MPV is loaded with top-of-the-line features such as Bluetooth, satellite navigation, lane departure warning, and more for a smooth and safe ride. Enjoy the luxury of ambient lighting, electric folding mirrors, and USB 12V power outlets. With advanced safety features like ABS, collision avoidance braking, and multiple airbags, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer servicing, this vehicle is truly a steal. Don't miss out. Contact us at Dooley Motors Carlo today.